Hi boys and girls, good morning and happy Wednesday. We're going to get started right away with the calendar because when we're done, I have some important things on the board, on the focus board to show you. So we're going to go ahead and move closer to the calendar. I'm going to get a pointer. Boy, it was Madeline's birthday yesterday and she showed us that she got this really cool pointer. It was like a magic wand with a Christmas tree and a star on top. I said, boy, I wish I had that so I could use it for the calendar. It's December, isn't it, boys and girls? December. We're going to start with number 1. Okay, I'm going to take this off for now. That's up there for the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 was yesterday, Madeline's birthday. We're going to go one more, which is 9. Let me put that pointer away and look for 9. Here it is. It's on a gingerbread. We are going to be reading The Gingerbread Man very soon. I haven't quite decided. I think we're going to do it on Friday on our Zoom. Here it is. I'm going to put that up. Okay, now I'm going to take Madeline's cake off for now so we can go back and do the pattern. Remember, we have to look at the one that came before number 1, which would have been November 30th, because that's how our pattern starts. It starts gingerbread, gingerbread, present, gingerbread, gingerbread, present, gingerbread, gingerbread, present, gingerbread. Whoops, sorry. Today is gingerbread. What will tomorrow be? Another gingerbread, because we have 2 gingerbread, 1 present. 2 gingerbread, 1 present. A, B, A, B. If we were going to do a pattern like this, we could go A, B, A, B, A, B, okay? Or we could go B, A, B, A, okay? All right, let's see here. We're going to add a straw. And I'm going to turn this 8. Wow, I can't believe how big this number is getting. Okay, we had 8 in here yesterday. 8 and 1 more is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's 9 in the ones pocket, and there's 7 bundles of 10. So we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 79 is how we say that. Whoops, I'm just going to tilt this. I know that's kind of far away. I guess I can move it over here. It's getting way over in the corner. I might have to move it over here because it's harder for me to reach. I have my printer and everything here. I think I can stretch, right? So I'm going to put a 7 and a 9. Yeah, I might move that before tomorrow because tomorrow we have to bundle. We're almost done counting in the 70s. Tomorrow we get to bundle, and then we'll for sure count all of them on there, or at least count by 10s. Okay, let's do this. Let's take a chain off of our paper link. You can take it off at the end of the day because the day is over. I have to wait till the next day. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I feel like I might have missed one. I tell you what, tomorrow I'm going to make sure I check the calendar and do it. I might have to sneak another one off, okay? What we can do is we can count on this calendar. If you guys are following along on your own little calendar and coloring the days, we can count here. But I think right now, let's count right here, okay? So we're on Wednesday right now. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Wednesday's not over yet, right? So I do need to count this day because it's not over. Now if I was doing it this end of the day, I would go ahead and say, well, the 9th is over. We can start counting here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 days until Christmas Eve. 17 days until Christmas. I actually think my link might be right, okay? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead. I got a little trick there. I'm gonna turn this around. We've got Wednesday, starts with a W, okay? Let's spell Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday. Wednesday. That's our longest one, right? Now, even though it's a really long word, when you clap it out to try to find the syllables, when you say it, you can actually say Wednesday, right? So if we're going to clap that or march it for syllables, Wednesday. If I march it, Wednesday. If I move my mouth like this, Wednesday. Wednesday only has 2 syllables. How about Sunday? Sunday, 2 syllables. How about Thursday? Thursday, 2 syllables. How about Saturday? Saturday. You have to open and close your mouth 3 times. Saturday. So you hear 3 syllables. We just practiced on Zoom yesterday. We're going to keep practicing. Then you guys are going to be really ready for the next time when I test, right? Okay, now I'm going to move this over here. We've got a few things to do here. First of all, we need to change this from 8 to 9. Okay, I also need to slide this over to Wednesday so we can read this. Today is December 9th, 2020. The day of the week is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, what's tomorrow? Thursday. If today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? We jump backwards. Tuesday. Now, I put our new letter up here. I told some of the kids yesterday on Zoom what our new letter was. Okay, the new letter we're working on is B. It's the second letter of the alphabet. When you sing your ABCs, B comes right after A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're not going to sing them all, okay? B. B for balloon. And B for butterfly. They should have made that a blue balloon, and then we would have had 2 B's, right? Balloon, well, we could say beautiful butterfly. I went ahead and I just put our Christmas colors down here, green and red. And then I want to put up 2 more rhyming words. We worked on a lot of these yesterday on Zoom, didn't we? Here's net. Can you think of a word that rhymes with net before I show you? Okay, how about net and nest? They kind of sound alike, but they don't rhyme. How about net and cat? They both end with a T, but the middle sound is not the same. N-at has an E in the middle. K-at has an A in the middle. How about net and jet? N-et, j-et. Yeah, those are rhyming words, aren't they? They have to have the same middle sound and the same ending sound. They do not start with the same sound, do they? That's where kids get tricked. And then once the students get it, then it's not too hard. Hey, it was cloudy again this morning, so I'm just going to leave our weather just the way it is. Kind of sunny and cloudy. I could put it right in the middle. It is t-shirt weather. Maybe you need some jeans. Might be able to wear shorts in the afternoon, but then at night it gets cold, and in the morning it's really cold. Now, I also want to add another bubble gum here. So remember, we have 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, my first 2 rows are 10. 11, I'm going to put up another one, 12. Now we actually are going to be working on 13 and 14 today on Canvas, but I'm just going to add one every day until we get to 20, okay? So in our bubble gum machine, we've got 10, 11, 12. We're working on teen numbers. If you need to, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can count it that way. It's just faster to know there's 5 on the top, 5 here. 5 and 5 is 10, and then 2 more. 10, 11, 12, right? Okay, I think we got everything here. Now, I want to share our focus board because I just put some new things up, and I have to change this board all the time because I'm using it for lessons. But I went ahead and put B up here. Big B, little b. B for ball, beach ball. B for Bubba Bear, of course. Bubba Bear reaches up, gets the honey out of the honey pot, puts it in her mouth, his mouth. I don't know if Bubba's a girl or a boy. I think a boy. Okay, and then I also put, this is how we're going to make a B with a straight line and 2 curved lines. Put B up here. This is all set up for a math lesson for later, but what I wanted to show you here is that I actually put up 2 sight words. This is the sight word we're supposed to do this week. G-O. I have a feeling a lot of you guys already know what that is. In fact, I've tested some kids already on sight words. This is a pretty easy one. G-O says go. Now, if you sound it out, you know that G says G. O usually says ah, Ollie octopus. Ga is not a word. So let's try the long O sound. Let's try O, G, O. G-O spells go, right? Okay, so go is our sight word. This is going to be our sight word for next week. Okay, Y-O-U spells you. Y-O-U spells you. The reason that I put this up there, we'll be working on it next week, but I wanted to get through that because I am going to start testing today. Whoever signs up, I'm going to start my testing, and I am going to test sight words. And I want to get through. We've been working on the red words. The kids should really have these red words down. We'll go over them in a minute, okay? I put this one on Seesaw, so they've been working on these for a while. They've also been in your Nat Geo workbook, okay? The orange words, I was waiting because we hadn't gotten through all of them. You'll recognize the ones that we've done, right? We've done is, like, and, for, here, go. Wait, have we done and? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. I forgot there for a minute. And, here, go. Now this one, in, we have done is, it, and in. Even if they don't end up on one of these sheets, they're phonetic. They can sound them out. But we had not done you. We were going to do it next week. I thought, I'll go ahead and throw that in there. If the kids don't get it, that's fine. I just kind of want to get an idea out of these two sets, which would be 16 words, how many of those words that they can read, okay? Now, altogether, there are 50 words. Now, the reason I didn't give everybody all 50 is I just wasn't sure if we were coming back. I still wasn't sure if they were going to switch the classes around. Some kids are going to be staying online. Some kids are going to be coming back to the classroom if that happens. And I made these for the kids, but you know, I buy that paper as cardstock, and I've already made them. And if I gave them all out and then they changed our classes around, I wouldn't be able to get them back from you guys. I'd have to make more, buy more paper. So that's why I held off. In January, I promise I will give you all of the words. And if you want, you can start working ahead. Now, Nat Geo starts out the year by just introducing one sight word a week. And we don't start on week 1. That's why we've just done the red and the orange. But pretty soon they'll start doing 2 a week. And then we start going faster. And we'll have all these introduced by the end of the year. Okay, so right now, let me just really quick before we say goodbye, let's go over these words, okay? A, I have a nice class. My, here are my glasses. See, I see you in my glasses. The, these are the red words. I like you. Look, please look at these words. This is a hard word. At, I go to bed at 8 o'clock. Here's the orange words. Is, she is my friend. Like, I like to do homework. And, I like chocolate and vanilla ice cream. For, we went to the store for some milk. Here, I'm over here. Go, I like to go to the park. In, I put my book in my book box. Y-O-U spells you. I like you, or I love you. Okay, so I'm going to make a Seesaw activity for all the sight words now, or at least for all the orange words, so the kids can practice. And so when I do test them, I'm going to be testing. Now, I'm not going to test in that order. I've got mine all cut apart on these rings. And I'm just going to say a number, how many they know. Okay? So, thank you. Bye-bye.